Welcome to Spring LIB.
So in a chemical system or a chemical reaction, what happens is a substance is basically dissociated into its ions. So, for example, if we take into consideration the reaction of HCl in aqueous form, and if we just say that it will be dissociated into its ions like H plus and Cl minus. So in this case, since HCl is a strong electrolyte, that means that the total amount of HCl will be completely dissociated into its ions H plus and Cl minus in an aqueous solution. But there are some substances that are not strong electrolyte like this one, in which cases the total substance will not be dissociated into its ions. So, for example, if we take into consideration the acetic acid, which is CH3 COOH, so acetic acid in aqueous condition will be dissociated as CH3 COO minus aqueous and H plus. But as you already said that CH3COOH or acetic acid is not a strong electrolyte, that means not all of the acetic acid present in an aqueous solution will be dissociated into its ions. And for the same reason, what will happen is that it at any time when we are having some of the acetic acid are being dissociated into its ions, at the same time some of the acetate ion and hydrogen ion will recombine to form back the acetic acid. That means in case of these weak electrolytes in a solution mixture, we have two reactions going on. One reaction is the forward reaction, which is forming CH3COO minus and H plus ion from this acetic acid, and at the same time we have a backward reaction which will form acetic acid from the uh, acetate ion and the hydrogen ion. So in this type of reactions, at one time or one point, the rate of the forward reaction, this forward reaction, will be equal to the rate of the backward reaction. That means at that time, the amount of acetic acid being dissociated into acetate ion and hydrogen ion will be equal to the recombination of acetate ion and H plus ion to form this acetic acid. And that is the point which we call chemical equilibrium. That means, in case of a chemical equilibrium, the base statement to to say what is a chemical equilibrium is that at the equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the back reaction. So for that reason, in this question, our correct answer is B, where it is said that if a system is at equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the back reaction.